Proper. I want to get lit, and I want to take your money. But the only time I see into the future is when I fucking all your honeys. Trying to be the winner, man, but you can't fucking find my spot. Icky's on my body, girl. You can play connected dot. Put on my sides, I'm a man in disguise. Running through the street with some red in my eyes. You thought I was sober, haha, surprise. Dick so good, I won the Nobel Prize. I can see through you. All of these lies. Bitch, your breast think that shit made me cry. Could've made me skeet, but bitch, good try. Stalked me on Instagram, bitch, you like a spy. Your head was sloppy just for the record. Bitch, I played you like a game of checkers. Then when I was done, that pussy was servant. Call myself lucky, but people call me clever. Yeah, bitch, never. Yeah, bitch, never. She got a new man, but you still know I'm better. You open your legs soon as someone pull the lever. Bitches can't count. Those 3 letters remind me of ugly God hitting bars just right. Then I feel like Yachty because all I need is one night. Then I feel like Kevin Gates cause Martian out with satellites. Then I feel like we can. I know she won't. She just might. Try your whole life and I'll still be better plenty. At the rate I'm going, I'll be famous for I'm 20. Doing what I love and you know I'm getting hotter. No need to ask who I am. Bitches know I'm proper.
Hey.